Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can screen record on Snapchat without them knowing. So I'll be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In case you're taking screenshot on Snapchat or you're screen recording snap or status on Snapchat, then the other person will be notified that you've taken screenshot or you've screen recorded their snap. So in order to do it without them knowing, what you need to do is, first thing, you need to log in into your Snapchat, and then you need to refresh your feed and navigate to the snap or the story that you want to record. And after that, you need to go to your settings page and then turn on your airplane mode or flight mode. So after that, you can use your preferred screen recorder in order to record the snap or the story. Once I've done that, once again logged into your Snapchat account, and then head towards the story or the snap that you want to record. And now you can record the story or the snap without them knowing. So once you're done, after that you need to refresh your Snapchat once again and then turn off your flight mode, and after that log out of your Snapchat account and then log in into your account. And that is how you can take screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.